Hey everyone, in this video we're gonna review all the designs sent by subscribers. For people who don't know, I had made a video on composition and I had given a task. Following that, I have received 13 designs so far. I really appreciate all the efforts you guys put in working on the designs and send it to me. What we're gonna do is we're gonna talk what good things are there in the design and what could have been better. All these reviews are from my design perspective. Anywhere you feel my points are not acceptable, you can comment below so I could correct or understand the designer's perspective. One important thing is it's not about competing with each other. The main purpose is how we could improve our design skills together by sharing thoughts and ideas. By saying that, I'm not gonna mention any designer's name. I'm only gonna mention the description sent by the designer. Alright then, let's get started. This is the first design. Designer has mentioned AirPods Pro Max Orange Edition. My goal was to create a bold and premium look that highlights the product's energy, modern style and exclusively. First, let's talk about what's good in this design. When we look at the layout, it's very clean and goes really well with Apple products and designs. Also, choice of using two colors for the whole design, it's a good decision. Layout is well balanced all four sides. I like how the main attraction is going to this product in the center. Even though we have a big image, since it's overlapped, it really stands out well and gets the center focus. Now, what could have been better is the text part. Text lines and spacing could have been better. We could have moved the text a little below, and for the title we could have reduced the spacing. Also, we could have kept the title and the tagline little closer so that we get good proximity to the text. Apart from this small change, rest of the design looks really great. This is the second design. Let's talk about what's good in this. Again, the choice of the colors is really great, gives good contrast, and the way the chair is used to show some creativity is a good thought. Even the layout balance is good. It works pretty well. Overall, good thought on applying idea and bringing it to life. What could have been better is, of course, the text placement is all over the layout. For example, if you see this bottom text, it's not necessary to add this text over here, blending with the platform. Because of that, this whole creative idea and the main element is getting distracted. Instead, it's better to remove the text from here and add it below by reducing the size. Also, this text could have been reduced a bit so that the main element in the center has a breathing space with a proper hierarchy to it. But overall idea behind it and the creative way used is really impressive. Great job. This is the third design I have received. Let's see what's the good things. I think the design is about nothing mobile phone product. This design has good contrast in the layout. Also, keeping the main focus in the center is a good thought, but I think the layout placements and everything could have been improved more. What we could have done is we could have added a little more clearer image for better understanding for common audience. Also, the title is too confusing between these two. Let me show you a similar design idea for better understanding. You can check out this design, how the text placements are done. Maybe we could have used the grids for better text placements. I guess if we fix the typography placements and adding a right image or maybe editing the image to blend the overall layout would be better. This is the fourth design. The designer has mentioned, I created a promotional flyer for Ray-Ban using a vertical grid layout. The goal was to prompt the brand's new product. The model image was generated with AI and I used Coolvetica and Inter as a main fonts. The design is intended for social media. Alright, so what's good in this design is well balanced layout with a pretty good hierarchy and also the colors. The design looks pretty perfect as it is. If we try to make the changes, I think it'll ruin the whole layout and the structure. Just a small thought, you can apply it or not, it doesn't make a difference. Behind this price tag, the shape could have been as the background color. It would have been a great contrast over there. Apart from that, the design is perfect. On the next one, we have received two designs. Designer has mentioned column grid and Excel grid is used for each design. Firstly, the good thing is it has a nice breathing space and the background color is used really well to highlight the products. But the things which are not blending really well with the design is these elements and text. Especially this font could have been avoided because handwritten script fonts will normally won't go with the sport brands. We could have used the same sans serif fonts as the main title. This part over here could have been more minimal by making it as a minimal sticker or maybe a stamp. Also, without the shadow, the product is not blending with the background. If we could fix all these small minor things, I think the design would come out more better. Second design, a well used Excel grid. Also, the product placement is really good. A small problem over here is when we're using Excel grid, we should avoid placing huge paragraphs of text like this because it makes really hard to read. Also the text behind the product is not visible properly and it's little confusing. Finally, the logo colors could have been matched with the layout colors for both designs. Apart from that, really done a good job. So this is the sixth design. I got many designs from this designer. It'll take a long time to review all the designs, so I just choose this one design which was looking interesting. The designer has used surrealism concept, which uses dreamlike, illogical imagery visuals, which is a really interesting design concept to use. And also a lot of things are going in this design which makes it really interesting to watch. But in few places it looks like a rough sketch and makes it look a bit messy. Since I have to review overall layout, this artwork in the center and the layout around it is not syncing well. Also this paragraph in this corner is too huge and it makes really hard to read and follow the design direction. Here's a quick example where we can blend the text and the artwork together as an overall layout in a single design. Here you can see the artwork is too heavy and a lot of things are going on. But when we see it as a whole layout, everything is going really well. It looks like a single layout design. When we come back to this design, if we just blend the text with the main artwork visuals by using colors or maybe using the similar fonts, this will turn out to be a good design. But I really appreciate the time and putting in a lot of creativity to this design. Really a great job. This is the next design. The designer has mentioned, I've designed a magazine cover for a brand called Euro Heritage. It's a linen brand that exclusively sells linen clothing. So I created a minimal style magazine cover keeping that concept in the mind. Alright, the idea and the visual has come out really well. So normally in magazine designs, a model should be more highlighted, which is done pretty well. Also going with just the text and the image is a good thought. The fonts which is used is really perfect. A few things we can make it better in this is we could increase the image to overlap the main title. It's not necessary, but it gives a really good depth to the design when we look at the magazine. Also the text sizes are different, which lacks in proximity. What could have done is we could have kept this secondary text in the same size and could have reduced this title, and maybe we could have centralized to give balance to the main title on the top. Apart from that, the design is good, clean, and the minimal concept is very well achieved. This is the next design we have received. These two designs are in the same theme, just that the masking is used in a different way. Overall layout is good, text placements, and a well balanced design with a good hierarchy. But a few things which is making this design immature is, firstly, the script text font is used. It's not really going well with the design. Also the logo is completely out of sync with this design. Apart from that, the design is good and really appreciate the efforts and the ideas used in these designs. We have the next design. The designer has mentioned this design is created to showcase Nike Air Jordan as a premium, attention grabbing product. The bold typography and a strong brand presence highlight Nike's brand identity, while the clean layout and the realistic shoe visuals make the product the main focus. The call to action buttons guide viewers towards making a purchase. Really a good idea, and getting all this thought on placing the product on the realistic background is a great thought. But just that when we look at the overall design, it looks a little immature. It's because of this main product image in the center. The shadow on the background could have been avoided, and also placing the shoe in the real background could have been more better and improved, because always the main hero in the design is product image. If we make it a more attractive and impressive visual there, rest everything falls in place in the layout. Only that is lacking, but overall idea and the efforts put in is really good, really appreciate it. Here's the next design. Designer has mentioned, I wanted to create a poster for Louis Vuitton using a brown black majorly. I have used a LV model and a few things like bear used in the posters for LV, the taglines and the origin place. Firstly, a good thing what we can see here is, even though there is a lot of elements added in this design, the overall layouts blends well and looks clean and subtle, and also well balanced layout. Just that I feel text is too heavy in this design. As soon as I see the design, my eyes goes and search what to read first in this design. It's really lacking in hierarchy just for the text. If we just fix that, I think the design will work really better and come out really good. But the images and all the things around it used is really well. Great job. Alright, this is the next design. So we have got iPhone 17 Pro Max poster design. Good job with the colors, and also highlighting the product worked out really well. Hierarchy is well achieved in this. Great job. Just a small thing we can fix over here is, this text placed over here is lacking proximity. So what we can do is we can get these things closer and place exactly inside this line, and moving the website to the bottom center would work better, I feel. Apart from that, great job with the design. Alright, here's the next design. So we have a A4 size poster showcased brand new Adidas sneakers for sneakers heads. Grids used modular grid, design type minimal modern poster, software used Illustrator. I really like how colors are blend together, and also the layout looks really well balanced with a good hierarchy. What can be made better is we have to fix negative space here. We can maybe move the title a little below and get this main part in the center. By doing that, we can give a good breathing space between the elements, which makes it less text heavy. Also, we could avoid the shadow behind the image. In that way, it would really make it look cleaner. Rest of the design is good, great job. Finally, we have arrived with the last design. The design explores the fusion of futuristic sneakers culture with iconic Nike Jordan heritage. Using column grid layouts, modern typography and barcode inspired elements highlight innovation and product identity. The eye reflection concept connects the emotion, dream, owning legendary sneakers with personal aspiration. Just a shoe and the dream. Both visuals celebrate the sneakers not only as a footwear but as a symbol of ambition, culture and a future of sport driven lifestyle. First of all, great job with the overall design. Well achieved hierarchy and all the design principles used is really well. As it says in the description, futuristic style is well achieved in these both designs. When we see the first design, there's a small alignment issue happening over here. I think it's not done with the purpose. Could be an error. Also, the second design looks really good. Any person can view this design and read each element very clearly. Good job. Alright, then we have come to the end. I hope I have given a useful review. If you felt somewhere I'm not making sense, let me know in the comment. I'll be happy to correct myself. Please do subscribe for more insightful videos like these. I'll see you in the next one.